So let me guess, you sent your first dispute letter out to the credit bureaus and some of your accounts have came back updated or verified. Now you don't know what to do. No worries. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you my foolproof 90-day disputing method on how you can remove those updated and verified accounts simply by using laws based on the Fair Credit Report Act. All you have to do is use my reasons, make your next dispute letter, send it off to the bureaus, and start getting those results. So let's get into it. This is the number one question I get. Rose, I sent off my dispute letter. Oh, only 1 or 2 accounts came off, but that's it. First of all, baby, let's celebrate the wins. Anything deleted is going to boost your credit score, and I do not like when people downplay deletions because the big account you wanted to come off didn't. It takes time. Disputing is a process. Just like it took time for you to get it on your credit, it's going to take a little time to get it off. But what I want you to know is updated and verified means nothing. All that means is send in your next dispute. Most people give up after they get that updated or verified status, and that's what the bureaus want you to do because they make money when you are reporting negative accounts on your credit. So I'm going to take y'all through the steps of what you need to do to get these verified and updated accounts off of your credit report. Make sure you sit down, pull out your notebook, and write everything down because I'm about to give you guys your next 90-day disputing process on how to remove these accounts. So I made a few notes here so that I can make sure I give y'all play-by-play. First thing you need to know, by law, the credit bureaus have legally 30 full days to respond to your dispute. That is important for you to know because once you send in your dispute, you need to know that after those 30 days, they need to be sending you in dispute results, whether it be online on your online accounts or if you are also receiving your dispute results in the mail. Okay, so first step in month 1. I know you guys have already probably sent out your first dispute letter. You had those updated and verified results. First things first, babes, if you haven't already, go watch my How to Remove Your Personal Information Online video. Out the gate, you need to remove anything that is associating you with those negative accounts because that is going to heighten your chances of your deletion. If they can confirm and verify that your name, address, phone numbers, and old jobs matches what their company and the credit bureaus have on file, that can be one of the ways that they're coming back and saying that that account is verified. So I need you to go watch this video so that you can dispute all your personal information online. I'm teaching you how to remove that stuff within 24 hours so you can go straight into sending out your next round of dispute letters. So now you're going to get started in month 2 because every 30 days they got to respond. Now you're going into your month 2 letter that you're going to send in to the bureaus. I want you to pull up each account that has not been removed, and you're going to put all of those accounts on your round 2 letter, and then we're going to start using our law reasons. We're going to use the laws to force them to remove these accounts off our credit report. So for example, one of the laws, it says that they're in violation of removing inaccurate and invalid credit information. Legally, if all your account details do not match up on your credit report, that is an inaccuracy and allows you to remove that account. So if you looking at these accounts that they said were verified, but you're still seeing that the day open is saying March the 5th for TransUnion, but it's saying March the 1st for Experian, or the amounts, they still have 3-4 different amounts that they're claiming you owe, they're still reporting inaccuracies. So you need to use this law, and I'll put the law on the screen that says you're in violation under 15 Code USC 1681. Y'all did not remove inaccurate or invalid information from my credit report. So that's one way that you can use a law for those updated and verified accounts to get it removed. Another law reason is they did not conduct a reasonable investigation to determine whether the information was inaccurate. So they can claim, oh, we did an investigation, but if they did not send you proof of how and what they did to investigate, they have violated your rights based on the Fair Credit Report Act, and you can literally use this reason, send it in on your round 2 letter, send that into the bureaus, and wait on your results to roll in. So basically, in month 2, you're going to rake your round 2 letter, list out all your accounts, and use one of these law reasons that you feel like applies. Send it in, wait on 30 days for your results, and we're going to go from there. Now, I want y'all to understand that credit repair takes time. You will see results in the first 30 days with some of your accounts being removed and scores boosting. But if you have 10 collections, majority of the time, that's not going to be done in 90 days. It's going to take a few months of you consistently disputing. So if you're committed to giving the next 90 days up to 6 months, the next 3 to 6 months to really clean up your credit report, take you in the 700s, and allow you to have financial freedom to apply for whatever you need to, I need you to comment in the comments, I'm committed, because I want to know that you're for real about this process, that you're not going to give up when the going gets tough. So let me know and comment, I'm committed, if you are going to get started on your homework. So once this round comes back, you are going to get your dispute results. If you have anything else remaining, you're pretty much going to go into month 3. Now, in month 3, we're going to apply some pressure. We're going to file a CFPB complaint. A CFPB complaint is basically filing a complaint against the bureaus for them playing with you and not removing these accounts, and they know that they're reporting inaccurately or they're not properly investigating. So that is the next option of what you can do. You can go on the CFPB website, and then they're going to ask you what happened, and you're pretty much going to let them know, like, hey, I sent in my round 1 and 2 letter. They have not been doing an investigation. These accounts haven't come off. Here's my final request, or, I'm going to have to seek legal action. You're going to submit that complaint with your dispute letter, send it to each credit bureau, and wait your 30 days again. Now, normally with using these processes, this is really how you're going to get the deletions you need and really get those results that you want to have. So I just gave y'all a 90-day play-by-play on how you're going to fix your own credit. And if you're ready to get started and you're ready to start your homework, again, just comment, I'm committed, so I know that you're ready. But that concludes how you're going to dispute those updated and verified accounts. Make sure that you share this with a friend. If you got a friend that got some bad credit and they been complaining to you about how they want to fix it, go ahead and share this video to them now, and make sure that you like and subscribe if you have not already. Lastly, I just wanted to give y'all a little offer if you wanted my one-on-one help. So every Tuesday, I host a live disputing class where I will teach you one-on-one how to dispute your credit. So for those updated and verified accounts, you'll give me your login, I will pull up your credit report, and I'll go over everything with you step by step. I'll help you create your dispute letter, show you how you can submit your disputes online, and really do everything you need to fix your credit within the next 90 days, maybe a little longer. If you're interested, I want you to join Rose Credit Academy. I'm going to put the link on the screen right now for you. It's $24.95 a month, the cheapest credit repair you'll ever get with my one-on-one help. So if you want to join the class, comment class so I can send you the link, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.